Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a 3D sheet metal part and also how to add a flange with different angles to the created part with the help of FreeCAD Sheet Metal AddWall and AddHem tools. Sheet Metal AddWall command creates flanges on selected edges with different angles. First, create the sheet metal and then add flanges to the edges. The next sheet metal tool called AddHem. The Sheet Metal AddHem command creates hems on selected edges. With this tool, we can create for different bend types, such as flat, open, tear drop, and rolled. First, click the Empty File button to start the FreeCAD workspace and then switch to Sheet Metal Workbench. Now, activate the Make Base Wall tool and then set the parameters of the sheet metal. Next, we add the flanges to the sheet metal edges with the Sheet Metal Make Wall tool. Set the parameters of the flanges in Flange Properties task panel. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In the next step, I will show you the application of the AddHem tool and the 4 bend type options. First, create the base sheet metal. Now, select the edges and then activate the AddHem tool. Here, you have a possibility to choose one of the 4 bend types: flat without a gap, open with a gap. Set the parameters of the bend in the task panel. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.